When we substitute things, all we're doing is plugging it in where it was, right? If I have a substitute teacher, they come and substitute for me. So we're going to evaluate each of these if B equals 5. So we have B equals 5. So every time we see a B, we need to replace it with a 5. Now we have to remember when they're stuck together, that means they're multiplied. There's a little tiny glue dot that is holding this 2.1 and this B together as there's a little multiplication glue dot. Now decimals are down low, multiply signs are in the middle. Decimals are low. If it's a times sign, it's in the middle. So this is not 2 times 1, it's 2.1 times by B. So we're taking 2.1 and we're substituting in the 5 for the B. So we need to do 2.1 times 5 to get that answer for the first one. We're going to move our decimal one place. So our next one is 5 B's, and B is 5. So we have 5 times. So we have 5 times 5 minus 12.4. So we're going to start with 5 times 5 is 25. And now we need to minus 12.4. We need to remember to line up our decimals. So 25 minus 12.4. So we need to borrow and finish that problem. So it's, again, this is not 55, it's 5 times 5. When you have a number and a variable right together, the coefficients with the variable, that means multiply. All right, our next one, we have 7.4. You can see the decimals at the bottom, times B, and B is 5. So our problem is 7.4 times 5. And now we need to multiply that out. We can crisscross our decimals and then move it one place in at the end. Okay, our next one says that we have 4b squared. So we have 4, these are stuck together, times 5, so it's not 45, 4 times 5 squared. So we need to do this squared first. So we've got to do that squared first. So that means 5 times 5 is 25. And now we have 4 times 5 to finish the problem. So go ahead and do 25 times 4 to finish that problem.